look at that.
Wow, it's so hard.
Oh, look
you
at that.
did it.
Oh, I did the lettuce, guys.
Beautiful.
Look at that.
layer. So nice.
Today I'm in Tokyo, Japan, and I'm about to cook for you guys. Yes, I am going to be cooking, believe it or not. Actually, this ain't your traditional cooking, guys. This is cooking fake food here in Tokyo, Japan. So come along and let's go check it out. Hello.
Hi.
How are you? I have appointment 3:30.
Ah, okay.
Okay.
Which one?
Guys, so we have to watch a video. It gives us instructions on what to do and what not to do. Looks like I'm by myself here today. So the first thing we do here is watch a video, and it gives you instructions on what to do and what not to do. So make sure you guys, when you do come here, follow the instructions, because you don't want to burn your hands. You're using hot wax to mold the food into its size and, you know, shape. Look at that. It is a proper intense video, guys. It gives you all the details on exactly how to make things. I hope I'm not just gonna be relying on this video, guys, honestly, because if I was to read all of that and just copy what it told me to do, I don't think I can do it. I'm gonna need someone to show me physically. Let's see what happens. As you can see, look at all of these foods. Look at that bread, a big pizza. I think that's a pizza. Another piece of bread. Look at that big fish. Burgers, pancakes. Got this. Got that. Oh, look at that. Oh, I didn't even see that. Remember, guys, it looks so realistic. Look at that big burger. But none of it is real. It's all made out of wax. I just finished watching the video. Now they will take me upstairs to meet my instructor to make some food. Yes.
Okay. And so please, so normally, so you're not supposed to shooting video our class, but it's okay.
So today's class is only me.
Yeah.
Everyone else is finished.
Now, so
Okay.
3:30.
Oh, 3:30. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
Look
Look at that. Oh my god. That's amazing.
One moment, please.
That's making me, it's gonna make me hungry, you know. I'm already hungry, but by looking at this food, it's gonna make me more hungry. Guys, so you also have
Hi.
products that you can buy.
So please head up.
Oh, we can go? Okay. Let's go up. Look at this. That's so nice. Wow. Look at this. That's amazing. Hello. How are you?
I'm good. So could you use the sanitizer?
Yes.
before
Yes.
working?
I just quickly put this here. Sanitize my hands.
So if you have bag, could you please
If I have what? Sorry? Bag? No bag.
Okay. And could you take off your watch?
My watch?
Because we use
Put my hands in the
Hi.
water, yeah. So
Yeah.
guys, you have to put your hands in the water as well, because you're dealing with wax.
So you will make like this.
Yeah.
So I recommend you one shrimp and one vegetable. And if you choose a vivid color, you can check the color. Looks so real. I recommend.
It does, it looks really real. Okay, so vegetable, what did you recommend again? You recommended me
Vivid
shrimp?
color, I mean, these two are very beautiful because you can check two colors after making.
Okay, so I'll take, which one shall I take, guys? This is a difficult one. Maybe.
pumpkin.
Okay, I'll take pumpkin.
Okay, good. And the shrimp.
And then I'll take a shrimp,
Okay.
yep.
Work.
Wow, it's proper clay.
Okay. So let's make the shrimp first.
Yep.
So please leave your pumpkin in the container. Please, only
Okay.
shrimp, please come here.
Wow, look at this, guys. Proper shrimp. This is amazing. Oh, here.
Yes. So could you check the temperature? This is about 42 degrees. I hold your shrimp.
42 degrees.
42
Yeah.
degrees.
That is hot, guys. Really
You
hot.
ready?
Yes,
Are you
I'm ready.
All right.
Are you ready?
I'm ready. Okay, so for shrimp, let's make small rectangle.
Yeah.
The size is like your camera. Right?
Size of my camera. And then this is the hot wax.
And the very important thing is to keep the height.
Yeah.
So maybe this wax will spit.
Oh, it will
Is
spit.
it okay?
Okay, yeah, that's fine. It's wax. It's not a problem. Wow. So the wax
The
goes.
bottom is
in-
very hot. Please be careful.
Yeah.
And could you hold the upside of the cup? From here, I don't close here. Little bit open and keep this height right. And please pour from here. Let's pour zigzag, zigzag. Keep the height, sir. Zigzag, zigzag. Very nice. Move back. Don't stop. Stop, please. Alright. So I think it's a little bit too big motion. So please fill
Short
the gap.
motion.
Yes. Fill the gap. This is a good size. Don't make big. Inside. Don't make bigger. So just fill the gap. Don't make it bigger. Inside. For everything inside.
Okay.
Alright, so wax will soon dry. You need it to be quickly.
Oh, quickly.
It's
Okay, that's done.
Everything?
I think.
Alright. So please put in the middle.
So I'll put this in the middle.
In the middle.
This
And
way.
out to the top, just a little bit. Yes, let go. Leave it, leave it. Alright. And could you pinch that tail? Just tail.
It's here.
Red part here.
Oh, red part.
And
Yeah.
slide down to water and turn it. You did it. So crispy. Okay, you can let go. Leave
Wow.
it. You made it perfect. So crispy.
Wow. That looks. More,
And,
it looks more like a chicken leg now.
I don't think so. This is a tempura. So I need your 2 hands because you
I'll-
have to make the shape.
I will put this.
Or
somewhere.
if it's possible, you can make only one hand.
Yeah,
But,
maybe. So I
this
just.
is very soft. Please make the shape gently. Don't squeeze. Gently. Yes, I help you. Close here round. Don't touch the top. So crispy. Okay. So we
It
put on the
feels crispy.
plate. If top is beautiful, it's okay. We don't make other side because the top
Yeah.
is so soft.
Yeah, it's the main thing is the top.
Very nice. Okay,
that
let's
good?
cool it.
Cool it. So you stick it in the water here.
It becomes hard soon.
Okay, guys, it's about to get hard. Oh, it's
You
hard
did
already.
it. You did it. Yes.
Really? That
Yes.
was.
So wax will soon dry.
Wow.
You made it perfect.
I made perfect. Really?
Don't eat. Don't eat.
I think I'm.
Don't eat. Alright, so please put in the container and could you bring your pumpkin?
Okay, guys. So there you go. I made a shrimp here. Now it's time for the pumpkin. Wow, that's amazing. Pumpkin.
Right? So for pumpkin, please make round.
Round.
Round. The size is bigger than pumpkin.
Okay.
And for the color, we want to make thin coating.
Mhm.
Thin coating. For thin coating, please pour little by little.
Okay.
And also keep the height. Yes.
Keep it at high.
And round and fill the gap. Little by little. So nice. Okay, size is a little bit big, but it's okay. I will make together. So this size, please fill the gap. Don't make a bigger size.
This is difficult, isn't it?
It was too big, sorry. Alright, good shape, good size. Just fill the gap, please. Don't make a bigger. Here. Okay, stop, please. Very nice.
Is
good
that nice?
size. Yes.
Good
so
size?
Nice. Good
And then
size.
put-
Just the size. Please put in the middle. Yes. And with your 3 fingers, please push from the top and in water, turn it, flip it. You did it again. You did it.
I did it perfectly.
Perfect.
Wow.
So nice. So the top is very soft. Don't touch, please.
Yep.
Please make the shape from the side.
Okay.
So
This
I
has
think-
been. I'm doing this with one hand, guys. Remember the struggles of filming.
So Usually you need two hands for the making,
Yeah.
for beautiful shape. Please be careful. And if the top is beautiful, it's okay. Please cool it. Oh, looks so real, right?
It does. It looks really real.
You did again. So nice.
Wow. You
Don't
see that, guys? I
eat.
can cook.
Don't eat.
Don't eat. You. It's making me hungry. It smells good as well, guys. It smells good. Honestly. Shall I put it back? Shall I put this over there?
In the container.
Look at this. Straight into the job, guys. Straight into the job.
Did you come back?
It looks so good. It looks really good.
Very nice. So next will be lettuce, but for lettuce you need two hands.
Okay. I'm gonna have to see if I can
Right?
do like this.
So please,
2 hands for lettuce, guys, and you guys can't see at the moment. Let me finish.
So please pour white wax over thick.
Over
Over
30.
thick. Little bit. Okay. Good size. Could you come around here and move a little bit down? Yes. And please pour a little bit. I will say stop. Don't touch the surface. Pour. Just pour. Stop, sir. Please wait. Wait. I will make a handle. Could you pinch it here with your left? Okay. And pour everything over here. Same place. Same spot. Everything. Yes. And next will be very important. Please keep leg flat and put the bottom here gently. I put the bottom gently. And
Towards me
straight.
or that way?
No, yes. And again, longer. Oh, perfect. You did it again. Okay, could you put it back? You made a core of lettuce.
Core of lettuce.
Core. Yeah.
Look at this, guys. I made this core of lettuce.
And please pinch here with your left. And next, you need green. Green is 4. And please cover upper edge of white. From here, move to right and cover upper edge, please. Only my side. So nice. You did it.
Nice.
Very nice. Very
You
nice.
sure?
Okay. So the wax will soon dry.
Yep. So I need 2
Can I
hands.
pour?
Yeah, you can pour. You're helping me.
So, no, you did so great. So I just add one more scoop.
To make it bigger.
Everybody need 2 scoops.
2.
And please pinch with
Pinch.
your 2 hands. No. Yes. Okay. So please move slowly. Could you come here? Stop here. And let's go down to the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4, down, down. Slowly. And then move to you. Keep this speed. And up to your face. Up. Slowly, slowly, slowly. That's okay, that's okay. So if you quick like this, but no problem. You made it perfect. You did it. So nice. That's okay. So please put it.
Put it back.
Yes.
It looks like lettuce.
Yes. So nice. Beautiful pattern here. Wow. So let's put together for
Okay.
making the shape. So this is the core. Please make together like cricket, zigzag, zigzag. And fold inside gently.
This
is
way?
to my side. Gently fold. So big cut is beautiful. You don't need power because this is lettuce. So you need air inside. Like this, like my finger.
Like,
This is very difficult.
yes, this
Like
is the
this.
most difficult
Yeah.
thing I've seen.
Can I put it back?
Yeah.
Right? And you move right and left together, make ball gently airy. And this ball moves zig, move corner to corner. Yes. Zig, zag. Yes. Zig. Very nice. And if you need, please put together. Or if you don't need, you can cut. Gently.
I have strong hands.
Yes, but not too much because this is the lettuce. You need air inside. So outside you need power, but not inside. Very nice, fresh lettuce.
First
What do you
lettuce.
think?
Look at this lettuce, guys. I don't know what you think, but
Alright, and if you like the shape, please cut it. And you can
Cut it.
just cut one hole. Which would you like? I mean, if you want to check inside, I will cut. Or if you don't want to cut, I don't cut.
I can cut. I'll cut.
Cut.
Yeah, look inside.
Okay, let's check it.
Let's look inside, guys. Come on. Who wants to look inside my lettuce? Let's go.
Alright, so can I cut in the middle?
Yeah,
Right.
please. Let's see what kind of lettuce quality it is.
Okay.
Oh, look at that.
Okay. Wow, it's so hard.
Oh, look
you
at that.
did it.
Oh, I did the lettuce, guys.
Beautiful.
Look at that.
layer. So nice. You did it.
Thank you, thank you.
So
Thank
that's
you.
all for today.
Thank
very
you.
much.
There you go, guys. That's my lettuce, and these are my 2 shrimps. And what was this one again?
It's a pumpkin.
Pumpkin. That's it. Pumpkin. That's it, guys. That's it. You get to make those 2, and then you get to make a lettuce, which is absolutely amazing. Thank you very much. I really appreciate it. Arigato, arigato. Okay, let me take my uniform off.
You were so fun.
No, you are so kind. Thank you. So these I get to take home.
Oh, sure.
Yeah,
This is
I can take this
yours.
with me. Oh
Yeah,
yes.
sure. But don't eat.
I'm not too sure. I might just eat it when I'm hungry because it looks delicious, guys. Also, let me show you. Look at this burger. Oh my god, this is so realistic. I just can't believe how real that looks. That looks so real. I just can't believe it. So you got bun, you got another bun, you got lots of patties. I'm not too sure what that is. You got tomato, you got a pineapple. Not sure what that is. You got egg, and then you got fries. Wow. And then you got pizza as well. Look at this pizza. You know what? Someone drunk might just eat that, you know. And then you got, look at this. Oh, this looks so realistic too. It's all made out of wax, guys. All of this is made out of wax.
Not wax.
What? No, what is that?
This is plastic.
Plastic.
These are made from gelatin.
Gelatin. Oh, okay. And this is plastic. Guys, so that is made out of plastic, and I believe this is made out of gelatin. Wow. Alright, guys, my lunch is ready. Let's go. Thank you. This is like a delivery takeaway bag. Okay, arigato. Thank you very much. Arigato. Thank you. Wow. There you go, guys. Oh, look at this. Let me just show you some of this stuff on the wall. Morning toast. What kind of toast do you like, guys? Oh, that. All kinds of toast here. Alright, guys, let's get out of here. Amazing. I've got to make some food, so I might end up eating it. Thank you, arigato, arigato. Thank you very much. Bye bye. Guys, so I'm out now. This is what I made. Look at this. This is a shrimp. Okay, it looks so realistic, guys. Look at the detail. The detail on it, it looks so realistic. Now we know how those food adverts are made with wax. So anyway, let me try this out. They did tell me not to try this out. They did give me a warning level, so sorry, not a level. They gave me a warning letter explaining what to do with this. This should be kept in room temperature. It shouldn't be put in the ice. Shouldn't be put in the fridge, and shouldn't be left under extreme heat. So let's try it out. You can't. I can't try this, guys, because remember, this is made out of wax. If I have this, I'm gonna end up in a hospital in Japan somewhere. But anyway, guys, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll catch you lot in the next one.